Introducing Coach Plus, your personal language partner, designed to help you practice speaking a new language with confidence. Our coaches are easy to use. For each proficiency level, select an area you would like to focus on. Follow the learning path or choose one of the coaches to start the conversation. You can see what you need to accomplish during the conversation by clicking on the information icon. When you're ready to reply, click and hold the microphone button and start speaking. Release the microphone button to stop recording. After your message is processed by speech recognition, click the arrow to send it. The coach will reply to you. Provide feedback if you make a mistake. Explain cultural and pragmatic issue. Or assist you with your language questions. After you complete the activity, you'll see confetti and can click on the Next Activity button to continue to the next conversation. You can always keep track of your progress by clicking on the Reports button. Teachers can view the progress of all their students by clicking on one of the sections they are currently teaching. The class overview graph shows how many activities students have completed for each lesson. To view a specific student's progress, click on their name to access more details. In the student view, you can see how many activities have been completed in each lesson, along with the accuracy score. You can also view the transcript of their interaction with a coach by clicking on a specific activity. Empower your students with authentic conversation practice, real-time feedback, and data-driven progress tracking. Coach Plus. Language practice that matters. Go to mira-learn.com today to schedule a demo.